Page 310, number 21. We have an example where we know how much money we want to save. We know how much we start with. We know an interest rate a bank offers. So we want to know how long is it going to take our investment to get to that accumulated amount. So if John invests $2,300 in a savings account with 9% interest, compounded quarterly, how long will it take until John's account balance has a balance of $4,150? So we have a principal amount of $2,300. We have a K value of 4 because of the quarterly. We don't know what the time is. We have an interest rate of 9%, and we know that our accumulated value is $4,150. So using our equation, P times 1 plus R over K to the KT, filling everything in that we have, we can solve for T. So $4,150 equals 2,300 times 1 plus 0.09 over 4 raised to the 4t. So dividing by 2,300 on both sides, and I'm going to leave everything in simplest form. I'm not going to make decimals yet because the more you round, the more inaccurate your value is. And we're using a calculator, so we don't need to simplify that. The calculator will do it. Okay, so I'll have to take the natural log of both sides. So that gives me the natural log of 83 over 46 equals 4t times the natural log of 1 plus 0.09 over 4. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 4 and the natural log of 1 plus 0.09 over 4. And then put that in the calculator. And that is going to give me that t is going to equal 6.63 years. So that comes out to be 6 years and 9 months.